Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use the new Teams feature on Sinosend. Sinosend is a great place to share your files, and it's even better with your team members. This is how you get it done. Each account will have one admin, and the admin can head over to their profile, go to Teams, and start inviting their team members. Your account will have a number of seats already assigned to it, and you can easily add new members by typing in their email address. Here I've just invited a team member. It will send an invitation, and if you scroll right to the bottom, you'll see that the status is pending. Once the user logs in and activates their password, the status will be active. You can delete active users by clicking on the delete button. Note that this will permanently delete their files as well. But how do you share files that you transfer or request with these new users so that they can see it in their dashboard? Head over to Transfers, click on the plus transfer button, add your files, I'm going to grab the link, and if you've set up Teams correctly, you should be able to see all your team members right here. I'm going to share it with a few of these guys. Set the expiry to 1 month and grab the link. Once the file is sent, you should see the 3 profile images of your team members right here. Once they log in, they'll be able to see these files in their dashboard too. They cannot delete it, only the creator can delete it. The same goes for requests. If you request a file, give me those requests. Click on the little options button down here, and you should also see, quite similarly, the same team members as you did before. I can share it with a bunch of these guys, change the size limit to 1 GB, and set the expiry of the requests to a year. Once that's done, I should be able to see the people who I shared the file with. This is a great way for you to use Sinosend with your team. Let me know if you have any questions.